Leader is participating in the 2024 Autumn Canton Fair. At this exhibition, we will showcase our latest series of solar cables. These products not only have excellent high temperature resistance, UV resistant and excellent electrical performance, but also pass strict international standards certification to ensure safety and reliability in various environments. Maximize your solar power performance with our leading solar cabling solutions. We sincerely invite you to visit our booth 15305. We will share with you the best practice of solar cables in different application scenarios and answer your various questions in the solar field. Leader always adheres to innovation and strives to promote the sustainable development of green energy. Looking forward to meeting you.